How to use Clipchamp Video Editor. So basically you can use Clipchamp on your browser, or you can simply download their app on your mobile phone or on your computer. It's completely free. Now the next step, so if you want to use this to create videos, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the create a new video button, and as you can see here you have on the left side you have your media. So here you can add videos, audio, images and GIFs. Then you can record, so if you want you can record your screen and everything. Then you have the content library, so you can use their free uh, as you can see, videos, stickers, backgrounds and everything. So these are completely free. Then you have templates, and here you can add text. Then here you can add transitions, and here you can create your own brand kit. Now on the right side you have here the settings for your videos and for your media overall. So what you're gonna have to do is simply import your videos, and then simply after it's loading, simply click on the plus button to upload it to your timeline, and then here you can start basically editing your video. So if you want, you can start trimming the video, you can split the video, and you can also add text here and audio. And here on the right side, as you can see, you can add different settings. As you can see, you can add effects, you can adjust the colors, and basically that's it. So now after you finish editing your video, what you can do, you can simply click on the export button, and you can export your videos and upload them on social media. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.